Upgrading RAM. Here are 3 things to know about DDR3L versus DDR3. Voltage, compatibility, and performance. Make the right choice fast. First, voltage. DDR3L typically runs at 1.35 volts. Standard DDR3 generally runs at 1.5 volts, which uses more power. Lower voltage means cooler operation and better battery life on laptops. Second, compatibility. Many modern laptops require DDR3L for stability. Desktop motherboards may accept DDR3, but always check your board's memory labels. Mixing DDR3L and DDR3 can cause boot failures or reduce speeds. Third, performance. Both modules share similar speeds and timings. Real-world performance is often identical, but power-efficient DDR3L can sustain boosts in thermally constrained systems. Recommendation: if your device supports DDR3L, choose DDR3L, otherwise match the installed module. Quick summary: DDR3L equals 1.35 volts and is laptop friendly. DDR3 equals 1.5 volts for legacy support. Match voltage and check compatibility before you buy.